Let me show you a chocolate bread recipe for sweet tooth. Repent from being a sweet tooth, but shall let me give you this one. It's different from the one in my bread recipe ebook, but also delicious. 1 cup milk. I'm using coconut milk. 1/4 cup melted butter. 1/4 cup honey. 1/4 teaspoon vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon salt. 3 cups flour. 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. 1.5 teaspoon yeast. This is the seed dispenser. I'll be putting inside there 1/3 cup chocolate chips and 1/2 cup raisins. These are optional. If your bread maker doesn't have a seed dispenser, because not all bread makers have, like my Turbotronic doesn't have, but when it's needing, at a point it will beep. When it beeps, that's when you now add the raisins and the chocolate chips if you are using. If you are not using, just leave it. I'll be using the sweet function on this bread maker. That's the number 5. Check for sweet function on your own bread maker. So move it to 5. Then I'll be using 1000 grams size. That's it. And the color is on medium already. So let's start. The chocolate chips and raisins have dropped. You see that this opened. See, opened. So the next time we'll see the bread, it will be baked. Our bread is baked. Woo! Look at that. Let me bring it out. So soft. You know I always love brushing my bread with butter to get the crust soft. So this melted butter. So the reason we put it on rack to cool is so that the bottom will have ventilation and it won't be soggy. When it has cooled down and it's not so hot, I'll slice it to show you the